All right, it's a new year, new me, y'all. Please get out them people away at the gym and go home and make a salad. Anyway, here go your ingredients. First, you want to slice your salmon into strips like this. Add some olive oil to the bowl with your magic salmon seasoning and some lemon pepper. Coat it on both sides just like this, evenly. Next, you want to spray some olive oil on your grill. Place your salmon down and cook it on each side until done your liking. Like this. This is mine. Ooh, woo. Get your shrimp, season it, and saute it over the stove, just like this. After that, you want to get your lettuce and with some Parmesan cheese. Add your salmon and lemon down. Drizzle some Caesar dressing and eat it. Oh, I can't forget I made me a shrimp salad too. So good.